Nick here from Modern Moulding. Just want to give you a little information on our fiberglass forms. So our forms are slightly different than our competitors. We don't use any two-way tape or tie wire. The nice thing about that, with not having to use a two-way tape, as you can see on this fiberglass pool here, we had some rain yesterday, so the water won't affect the way our forms are attached to the pool. Again, another thing is our forms are curved here to cradle the top of the fiberglass, eliminating the need for the plumb strip. Our foam's also perforated every 3 inches, so we recommend you take these clips and just push them through about every foot apart. That's sufficient. Then you take the body of the clip and you're going to slide that on. You're going to take a nail and just drop a nail into place here and push everything nice and tight. Once you do that, you'll just sit this right on top of the fiberglass wall, pushing this nice and tight, and also keeping in mind to push the bottom of the form tight to the pool wall as well. Screw that right down, and then you'll see here it'll want to tip up slightly, which is fine because once you pour your concrete, it's going to sit back down on the wall here, keeping everything nice and straight on your rectangle pool.